In this video, we are going to show you how to create this castle. So we start Blender and we will have this cube. So we have to go to the move tool. We're going to move it above ground. We can just use this blue arrow. And what we are going to do is we are going to drag it up by holding the control key, and then we drag the blue arrow up. We can also do that with the side view by pressing 3. And then after that, what we want to do is we go to edit mode by pressing tab key, and then we have to make sure that we are in face select mode. Then after that, we select the front face, and then we're gonna switch to top view by pressing 7 in the numeric keypad to the right. And then after that, we're gonna go to the move tool, or we can press G, and then we drag it to the left by holding the control key, right? We drag that red arrow to the left. Then we're gonna orbit by holding the middle wheel of the mouse, and then we're gonna right click, we're gonna actually select, we click on the side view, side face, and then after that we are going to hold the control key and drag that green arrow up until we have 13 cells, right? So we need to have 13 cells, and let's see if we count them up, if we have them all. Let's see, so we have 2, 4, 6, 8, okay. Yes, looks like we have the 13 cells, and that's important that we have the right size, okay. Then after that, we're gonna click on the top face, and now we need to create a loop cut, right? So how are we going to do that? Notice that we have to move up with extrude, but first we need to create the loop cuts. So we're gonna press Control R, right? And that's gonna allow us to create the loop cuts. And then we have to use the mouse wheel to create as many loop cuts as the cells we have, right? So make sure that they match there. Notice that the grid has to match the number of loop cuts. Then we're gonna click and click again. Okay, of course, left click. So you do it twice without moving the mouse, okay? Then after that, you created the loop cuts. Then we need to select every other face. So we have to make sure that we are on face select mode. And then after that, we are going to hold the shift key and then click on every other face, all right? Then we're gonna press 3 to go to the side view. And then holding we're going to press E, or we can click on the extrude toolbar, and then we are going to hold the control key and drag up the mouse. And there we go. Notice that now we get those protection right in the wall. So then we can press tab to go into object mode, right? And we orbit, and there we go. We have created the wall, right? It looks very nice. And then after that, we should be ready to create the rest of the walls.